Let's see the trick that we can use to work out if any large number is a prime number or not. You will need to know your primes for the rest of your school career. So it's important to know this method because we don't know times tables for massive numbers like 1051. All you need to remember is these 4 prime numbers. We have 2, 3, 5, 7. Those are the 4 prime numbers under 10. They're the only ones you need to remember. We're going to use them, all of these ones, 2, 3, 5, and 7, to divide into any number to determine whether it is a prime number or a composite number. Let's do one. So now we have 53. Let's try 2. Will 2 go into 53? No, it won't because it ends in a 3. Nothing on the 2 times table ends in a 3. So we're going to strike 2. It doesn't go in. Now we have to try 3. So let us put a 3 out there now. Okay. Can 3 go in there? Well, let's try. 3 will go into 5 once, remainder 2, but 3 can't go into 23. So, no, 3 gets struck off as well. So 3 is struck off. Our next number from the previous screen was 5. We can automatically see 5 is not going to go in because it doesn't end in a 0 or a 5. So let's strike 5 off. And the last one which we use to determine is 7. 7 can't go into 53 because 7 comes to 56 on its times table. That would be 7 times 8. So there aren't another 7 digits to get it into there open between 56 and 53. So strike 7 off. So actually, this is a prime number. 53 is a prime number because not one of those 4 went into it. If any one of those 4 went into it, 2, 3, 5, or 7, it would be a composite number. Let's look at the next one. 97. So our numbers are 2, 3, 5, and 7. Right, let's put 2 in first. 2 won't go in because it ends in a 7. It doesn't end in an even number, so we know 2 is not going to go in, so let's strike 2. Can 3 go in? 3, well, it won't go in, I know that, but let me prove it to you. 3 will go into 9 3 times, but 3 can't go into 7 evenly without a remainder. So let's strike 3. 5, we know for a fact won't go in because it doesn't end in a 5 or a 0. So let's strike 5. And 7, let's see if 7 will go in. 7 goes in there once, remainder a 2, and 7 can't fit into 27. So we've got to strike 7 as well. This is a prime number because not one of those went into it. So 97 is a prime number. Okay, let's look at the next one. 94. Okay, so 94, well, let's use our numbers 2, 3, 5, 7. Now remember the rule, if any one of them can fit into this number here, then it's a composite number. In other words, it's got factors. So let's try our 2. Can 2 fit in there? 2 can go into 9 4 times. Remainder 1, and 2 can go into 14 7 times. So 2 can actually fit in there. 2. Okay, now let us quickly try and rub out this answer and put 3 in the place. It's already a composite because 2 goes in, but let's just try 3 and see. 3 won't go in, I don't think, because 3 will go perfectly into 9, so 3 is not going to go in. 5 won't go in because it doesn't end in a 5 and a 0, and 7 won't go in either. Let's just quickly rub it out. Show you that 7 won't go in either. 7 can go in there once, remainder 2, but 7 won't go into 24. But 2 did go in. So that means it's not a prime, it's a composite number. It's got factors. Okay, so 94 is a composite number. So remember the rule, if any one of the primes listed here on the left of the screen can fit in, it's a composite number. If not one of them can fit in, it's a prime number. Nice, easy trick. Please remember to press subscribe on my channel so you can see all my videos. I have over 80 videos on the channel already, and every day I'm loading more and more. I'm going up the grades.